You've had a couple of days now to kind of digest Saturday. When you go back and look at it, what's your general impression of that scrimmage?
You know, I just didn't like the intensity we showed up with Saturday morning offensively. Look on the film, not a lot of busts, not a lot of, I mean, our starting group, first two groups really didn't turn the ball over, didn't have a lot of penalties. We just didn't finish and sustain drives. We weren't great on third down, and you know, it just was hard to get a lot of momentum going. Our defense, to me, just showed up with a little more intensity that day. And the last time that happened was the first spring scrimmage this year. Felt the same way, and our guys responded in the second scrimmage. So it was good. We got our guys' attention. They practiced really well these last, what's it been, 2 days. So expecting to put another good one together tomorrow and try to come back and redeem ourselves on Saturday.
Saturday scrimmage upcoming being a little bit more passing oriented than last week's was. Just what do you want to see? What do you hope to see beyond scoring, obviously, but what do you hope to see, particularly from Jeremy and freshmen and those kind of things?
Yeah, I mean, I would like to see receivers making plays, which in the last 2 days in practice, they've done that very well. They've actually bailed the quarterbacks out several times. So I'd like to see receivers. Some guys make some wow plays. Some guys make some plays that aren't ordinary. And I'd like just to see us be efficient, be consistent. I mean, just throw and catch it, you know, because we're good enough on the perimeter and we're good enough, I'd like to think, the quarterback, if we just simply throw and catch and do what we're supposed to do. We don't got to be flashy. We'll move the ball down the field. So efficiency is a big deal.